how to turn on tags, email notifications on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on tags, email notifications on Facebook Lite. First thing, click these three lines here in the top corner, and after you click on it, go down until you find settings and then notifications, and here just click tags, and now just click on email here and turn it on. And that's how to turn on email notifications, tags, email notifications on Facebook Lite. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.